Dylan Thompson, Chase Motorsports, Coach and Trailer Sales, Paducah, Kentucky. ChaseCoach.com. Check us out on our website. Trying to upload new units, new and pre-owned units every week. So try to give you some stuff to look at. Here's a 2021 S&S Welding Motorhome conversion on a extended hood 389 Peterbilt chassis. Chicken lights, lots of chicken lights, and lots of chrome. Check out this bad boy. I'm going to take you on a little tour through the interior, and we'll also make a pass through the trailer. So S&S Welding, they're based out of Greenwood, Nebraska. They kind of have a niche market. They service a lot of the oval track racers, some drag racers, but a lot of people use them for dirt late model, dirt modified racing and stuff like that. This is a 2021, 17,500 miles, loaded with options. As you can see, it's got 2 slides on the driver's side. This coach sleeps 6 to 8 people very comfortable. It is a rear bunk model. As you can see, the slide out on the left rear side with the 2 windows on top of each other. There's bunk beds inside that slide out. And then you've got a 40-foot liftgate race trailer. So the race trailer, hydraulic liftgate on the back. You can put 2 cars in the top of the trailer. And then on the bottom of the trailer, you've got tire racks, storage cabinets, you name it. You can pretty much fit it into this trailer. So take you around the outside right quick, and then we'll make a quick pass through the interior. This is a pre-owned unit. Again, 2021 model, 17,500 miles on it. As you can see in the rear there, sliding glass doors. It's got the clear windows for your t-shirts. Put those on display, autograph cards, beanies, stuff like that. Also, when these gates roll back, you can see there is lots of lighting. So that lighting turns on and it shines down when the gates open on your car. So lots of good lighting to work on your car, engine, whatever you've got going on. The trailer is heated and air conditioned. That's very nice. 22.5, so 22,500 kW Husker power generator on it. Husker uses an Isuzu diesel engine, so very durable, and they're actually pretty quiet for a 22.5. Spin around here and give you a view of the right front. This does have, we actually sold this coach new back in 2020, and it was outfitted with our Chase Motorsports Platinum package. So the big fiberglass, FiberTech fenders. You've got lots of stainless, loaded up, folks. Chrome drop visor, bumper, lighting. So that's the Chase Motorsports Platinum kit on the nose of that one. Over here, if you'll check out our website, we put a bunch of photos up. In this first compartment, there is a pull-out propane grill on a little track, so you get all set up at the racetrack and pull that guy out, cook some lunch or dinner or whatever you want to do. Take you through the interior. So as you walk in to this one, you've got 2 bunk beds over here on the driver's side with some cabinets, nice storage area in it. Up here you've got one of the jackknife sofas, 2 TVs in this slide out. Check that out. Pretty cool. Booth style dinette. More cabinetry up here above. Something that I also like about the S&S, all the neat lighting they put in. So lighting above the cabinets, mirrored ceiling with neat lighting in it. Then on up here you have bunk over the cab, little ladder to go with it. Samsung TV, Yamaha theater surround sound in it. And then you have another jackknife sofa on the passenger side. And then spin around, we've got the kitchen, little neat kitchen dinette, pull-out electric cooktop in this one. And it has the residential Samsung French door refrigerator with the freezer on the bottom. Also, something this coach was optioned with when it was new that not all of them have is the dual inverters. So this inverter up here, you turn it on, which inverter means it's taking 12-volt battery power and turning it into 120 volts. So this one up here on the top, it actually will run like your TVs. It'll run your surround sound system and quite a few outlets inside the coach, where the one on the bottom will actually run the middle roof air conditioner and the fridge while you're driving down the road. So you can actually drive down the road in this coach without running the generator and run the middle air conditioning unit on the roof and run the refrigerator. So pretty cool option there. This one does have the large bath. So it is, I think this was a 27-foot conversion, and what we mean by that is 27 foot from the back of the cab to the back of the box. As you can see, it's got the one-piece fiberglass shower with a glass door. Very neat, simple, easy to keep clean. Then it also has your toilet all in the same room here. Some more cabinets there, a little small vanity sink area. And then as I showed you back here, you've got bunk beds, TVs in each one. All right, make a little pass through the trailer. Try to keep the videos around 10 minutes or less, so that'll be perfect timing. All right, so in the trailer, you're going to see lots and lots and lots of cabinets, tire racks, tire grooving station. It's got a spot in the first cabinet here that you can put a nitrogen bottle, and nitrogen's already plumbed all through the trailer. This one has kind of like a titanium looking color on the cabinets, and then it also has the mirrored ceiling in it. It's got your roll-up door for your spring smasher, shock dyno, lots of listed toolboxes, as you'll see there, TV in the trailer, sliding glass doors, cabinets back here for all of your spray cans and stuff. Lots and lots and lots of storage in the S&S. More storage on this side. It does have two heating and air units. One's here and then one's up there by the entry door. This is a little countertop area for to work on your shocks. As you can see, it's got an air outlet. We also done the polished stainless backsplash in behind the countertops there. And it's got Frigidaire, refrigerator, keep the drinks cold for the crew. And then back here, slide out. They also put in-floor storage in them. So you've actually got storage underneath down there for body panels. A lot of the racers will put body bracing and stuff like that down there. But that's all we got to show you. Again, 2021 S&S Welding. We do have some of these on order, brand new. So if it's something that you're interested in, we will have a 2023 model. It's actually going to be a rear bedroom unit. So instead of the bunks, it'll have the bedroom in the back of it. But we do have that ordered, and it's currently in production. So I appreciate you watching today. Please subscribe to our channel. Really helps us out. And again, we're trying to upload some new content weekly to give you guys something to check out and hopefully purchase from us. This one had actually already sold before we done the video, but still wanted to get it online because I get a call probably once a week. What about those S&S coaches? And I'm like, well, I honestly don't have a video of one, so I thought today was the perfect opportunity. Nice weather and got some sunshine finally, so here we are. But if you have any questions, give me a call. We'll put my number up there on the screen, and would love to help you out. We offer financing. We deliver nationwide. We buy, we sell, and we trade. So Dylan Thompson, Chase Motorsports, Coach and Trailer Sales, Paducah, Kentucky. I appreciate you watching.